If you need to print out pictures for a project, go into Safari. You're going to go to a couple of different websites. The first one is Google Drive, which you can get to by going to drive.google.com. Once you're signed in, you're going to go to the New button in the upper left, and I want you to create a folder for the class that you are working on the project for. So let's imagine that I'm working on a project for Academy of Finance. I'll create my new folder, and then I will tap twice on the trackpad to go into the folder. Once I'm inside my folder, I'm going to go back to the New button in the upper left, and I'm going to select Google Docs. The first thing I should always do when working in Google Docs is title my document. I'm going to call this Academy of Finance CAT Project. Okay. This is where I'm going to paste my pictures for my CAT project. Now I'm going to create a new tab by hitting this plus button in the upper right of Safari, and I'm going to go to Google to search for my pictures. I'm going to search for cats, which brings up a regular web search. So right now here I have news, I want images. And I'm noticing that all of these pictures are from Cats the movie. I don't want Cats the movie, I want actual cats. So Google has some suggestions of other search terms. I'm going to use kitten, and that's more what I want. I really like this first picture, so I'm going to select it. And once I get this preview over on the right-hand side, I'm going to click on it with 2 fingers on the trackpad at the same time, and I'm going to select Copy Image from the menu. It's down towards the bottom. Now I'm going to go back to my Google Docs tab, and I'm going to paste it. To paste using Google Docs, I'm going to use the Command key just to the left of the space bar and the V as in Victor key. Okay, now I can see that I've got my picture pasted, and I see my cursor down here towards the bottom right-hand corner of the picture. I'm going to hit the return key on my keyboard a couple times to give myself some space for my next picture. I'm going to close out of this. I'm going to keep scrolling. I'm going to select my next picture. Again, 2-finger click, copy image, back to Google Docs, and then Command V to paste. Now I am ready to print. To print, I'm going to use the Command key just to the left of the space bar again, and the P as in print key on my keyboard. I'm going to select the first option, print from my computer. And the download will occur. Once the download is in front of me, I'm going to hit the Command and the P again. The printer that I want to select is HowLib. Once I have that printer selected, I will hit the print button, and it will be over on the printer in just a moment.